Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a spread for the Melon Music Awards in 2018. If you think that I'm a little bit late to the game on this one, you are correct, but the reason that I am doing this spread today is because I'm continuing on with my 30-day challenge. I am getting towards the end, and today I had to pick my favorite live performance. So obviously there are a lot of performances of theirs that I like, but this one is just the one that still really stands out to me. So I decided to do a spread for this one. As you may have noticed in some of my recent spreads, I've been trying to go with the more traditional, air quotes, calligraphy route, where I just use some kind of a brush pen. In this case, I'm just using my sketch Copic markers, and I just write it in calligraphy style instead of what I normally do, where I kind of sketch it out, outline it, color it in. This is honestly a lot quicker. It is a little bit restrictive, like I can't do lots of crazy colors together this way, but if I'm just going for like a flat color or like a very subtle gradient, this is working perfectly for me. I'm getting a lot better at my calligraphy, so I'm a lot more comfortable just doing it this way. So that's why I've been doing that a lot lately. Honestly, this is a pretty simple spread with a pretty simple color scheme. I didn't think it was necessary to do like a crazy color scheme because the pictures themselves are so colorful. So I did yellow because there are a lot of yellow tones in the lighting in most of the pictures. And so, like I said, I just used one yellow Copic marker, and then I used some yellow washi tape, as you will see. It was also really hard to choose pictures for this, especially the individual pictures that I used of each member, because there are so many good ones. Of course, I had to use the one picture of Jimin from his fan dance because, I mean, let's be real, that is, yeah. Also, if you've noticed that my voice is slightly more raspy than its normal raspiness, I have a bit of a summer cold, so I apologize for that. So if you've been watching some of my recent videos, you may have noticed that I've been really into doing these like spots that kind of color pick the colors in the spread, if that makes sense. And I really like the style that I've been using, where I just do like a circle and then I do kind of like a really rough outline around it. And so I decided to do that for the spread, but actually to do it more as like polka dots, because as you have seen, I love polka dots. So I decided to add some polka dots this way instead of doing it as like a color dropper thing, because like I said, I used a pretty basic color scheme. It's literally just yellow and some black thrown in. So yeah. Also, I decided to double space and spread out what I was writing here, because I was afraid that I wouldn't write enough to fill the space, but then I ended up not having enough space. So I kind of wish that I hadn't done that, but that's okay. I just kind of, shortened it enough to fit it. So this is the final spread. Like I said, it's pretty simple. This is my favorite live performance at the moment. So if you liked this video and you like this spread, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all of the support. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.